Hi, it's Nikki from Casey Cardinia Libraries, and welcome to our online STEAM session. This week is National Science Week, and the theme is Deep Blue, Innovation for the Future of Our Oceans. So today, we're going to do a bit of an ocean-themed experiment. Now, different types of water have different densities. So when it comes to seawater, it's actually quite dense compared to fresh water. So that will mean that if done right, fresh water that I've got here in the blue is actually going to float on top of our salt water. So for this experiment, you're going to need a few different things and a lot of help from a grown-up. So we've got our two different waters, our salt water and our fresh water, that I've dyed in different colours so we can see what's going on. I also have a card that I'm going to use. If you've got one of our deliveries before, you'll have seen one of these cards in there. They're a nice good thickness for this sort of experiment. You can use anything else that's similar. I've also got a little bit of a tray down here so that it will hopefully catch any spills and it doesn't go everywhere. So what we're going to do is going to put the card on top of our blue water. Now this is going to make it sort of sealed up so I can very carefully flip it. You might get a few little spills. And we're going to carefully put it on top and make sure our two jars are lining up on top of each other so they're exactly on top. And then very carefully, we're going to take the card out and keep the jars on top of each other. So, as you can see, the red salt water is staying down the bottom and the blue fresh water is staying up the top. That's because it's less dense than the salt water. But if we very carefully, and this is where you're definitely going to need an adult to help you, hold them together and turn them over, they start mixing together and turn a very, very dark purple colour. This is because the salt water, which is more dense, sinks to the bottom, the less dense fresh water rises to the top, and the two colours mix. And we're going to have to do some very careful cleanup when we finish up here. So it's always best at home to maybe do an experiment like this in the kitchen or maybe even in a bathtub in the bathroom if you have it. That way you can just get all the water to go down the sink. Thanks for watching, and for more projects and videos you can visit our website at cclc.vic.gov.au and click the Library at Home link. Or you can find us on YouTube by searching Casey Cardinia Libraries. See you next time.